Imagine having an AI assistant that knows your business inside and out, working tirelessly to engage customers and generate leads for you. Meet BizLocal.AI, the game-changing solution that auto-trains itself from your website and documents to deliver accurate, intelligent responses. It auto-populates contact information, filters out spam, qualifies potential customers, and books appointments into your calendar, all while learning and improving every day. BizLocal.AI handles conversations across live chat, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, and email, ensuring 24/7 customer support. It automates your entire lead generation workflow, transforming interactions into real business growth. Today, we will show you just how easy it is to get started with BizLocal.AI. We'll install the app, set up your first AI chatbot, and watch it in live action through Facebook Messenger. In just a few minutes, you'll see how our AI can understand your business and handle real customer conversations. Let's get started.
Here's how to set up BizLocal.AI in 30 seconds in Lead Connector. Start by going to the App Marketplace and All Apps. Then in the top right, there is a search box. Type in BizLocal and the app will show up. After clicking the app, then click Install. The Continue as prompted. After the steps, you'll be redirected to a sign-in page where you can log in with your Google account or create a new account. Once you are logged in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard, displaying the default bot and connected sub-account. Now you can customize the bot and enable it for the sub-account. That's how you set up BizLocal.AI in 30 seconds. Today I'll show you how simple it is to set up our AI chatbot. On the dashboard, you'll see the default bot and the connected sub-account. Click on the default bot to access the business data section. In the business data section, just click AI Generate, and the bot will automatically scrape the sub-account's website to generate business data for you. It's that easy. If you need to include additional web pages, just add them below. Next, go to the Bookings tab. Enable booking and select a default calendar to handle appointments seamlessly. Don't forget to save your booking settings. Now let's configure the bot's objectives. In the Objectives section, you'll see pre-listed objectives such as name and email, which are active by default. For this demo, we'll also activate phone and zip code. You can also add custom objectives if needed. Now the bot is ready to go. Let's test the bot's integration with Lead Connector. First, go to the Lead Connector Integration tab. Before making any changes, let's use Facebook Messenger to send a message to the business page. In the chat window, we'll send a simple message. You'll notice there's no reply. This is because the bot hasn't been enabled for the Facebook Messenger yet. Now let's return to BizLocal.AI and enable the bot for Facebook Messenger. You can see all channels are off right now. Change the Facebook from off to the bot we just set up and click Save All Settings. Once enabled, let's test the chat again. We send another simple message. This time, the bot immediately replies, asking for the name. As we continue chatting, the bot collects all the required information like name, email, phone, and zip code as defined in the objectives. All the information is seamlessly synced into the Lead Connector contact database in real time. The bot can also book an appointment. For example, when the bot asked if we wanted to book an appointment, we inquired about availability for tomorrow. The bot quickly displayed open time slots, guided us to select one, and prompted us to confirm the booking. The appointment was successfully scheduled. Additionally, the same chat can be used to reschedule or cancel the appointment if needed. Let's return to BizLocal.AI and click Test Chat. In the upper left corner, you'll see the saved chat history, including the previous Facebook Messenger conversation. Open the chat session to view the full conversation and see when the objectives, such as name, email, phone, and zip code, were completed along with their respective values. You'll also find the booked appointment details. If you click the status at the top, you'll see that all 5 objectives have been completed for the contact. Now let's verify in Lead Connector. In Contacts, you'll see the contact added with the correct name, phone, and email. Finally, let's check the calendar. The appointment has been successfully booked. With BizLocal.AI, setting up an advanced chatbot for your business has never been easier.